Hello YouTube, I'm going to show you how to program your garage door opener for your 2016 Impala. What you want to do is you want to hold 1 and 3 for 10 seconds. After they start flashing, then you're going to take your garage door opener and you're going to hold the open button and the 1 or 2 or 3, any one you want. You're going to hold it down until that starts flashing rapidly as well. Then you release, and then that's it. Your garage door opener should be programmed to your vehicle.